Do you ever regret not planning better financially? I know I've had those moments. Hi, I'm Henry, and I found a solution that changed everything for me. Last year, I discovered a step-by-step blueprint that teaches you how to build your own online business from home, even as a complete beginner. You earn 100% profit, get a done-for-you website that runs 24/7 on autopilot, and you'll learn how to master a 2-hour workday. We call it our freedom machine. And honestly, it's the best thing I've ever found. If you're ready to stop living with regret and start creating something real, drop yes in the comments and I'll send you the blueprint. Alright, if you're watching this right now, I want you to listen closely. Whether you're working part-time, full-time, or juggling a bit of both, I need you to seriously consider starting a side hustle. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I've got my job, I'm doing fine, and that's great. But here's the thing, having just one paycheck coming in every month, it's safe, but it doesn't give you options. A side hustle? That's where the real freedom is. Let me tell you how I figured this out. A while back, I had a regular job. Just like most people, I was doing the whole 9-to-5 grind. But while I was working, I decided to try something else, a side hustle. I started an online business, and at first it was just a little extra cash, maybe $5,000 a month, then 10,000 Mars, then $220,000 a month. All of that came from a side hustle. And here's the truth. It wasn't magic. It was the power of diversifying your income. But there's one big game changer I want to talk about today. AI. I'm talking about how AI can completely transform the way you run your side hustle. Right now, I'm making thousands of dollars every single day, all because I learned how to use AI bots in my business. And let me tell you, this isn't just some fantasy. You can do it too. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me clear something up. A lot of people have the wrong idea about AI. They think it's some magic robot that will instantly make you rich, but that's just not the case. AI is a tool, nothing more, nothing less. It's here to help you work smarter, not harder. But just like with anything worth doing, you've got to put in the work and use these tools the right way. So, here's where to start. You need to figure out which side hustles actually work well with AI. Not every hustle is a good fit, but there are some amazing ones that will save you time and effort. For example, you could look into selling digital products, drop shipping on platforms like eBay, starting a YouTube channel, or affiliate marketing. There are tons of options, but the key is finding one that you can stick with. The side hustle that resonates with you, the one you're excited to build. I can't stress this enough. Consistency is crucial. I see so many people jump from one hustle to the next. They start with dropshipping, give up after a couple of weeks, then try something else. That's not the way to succeed. You need to pick a hustle, focus on it, and give it time to grow. Trust me, it'll pay off. Now, let's talk about AI and how it fits into all this. AI is here to help you speed things up. For instance, if you're starting a YouTube channel, there are tools like vidIQ and InVideo AI that can help you come up with video ideas and even create the videos for you. You don't even have to be on camera. If you're setting up a dropshipping store, AI tools can build the store for you and fill it with products automatically. It's seriously a huge time saver. And if you're into creating digital products like ebooks or courses, AI tools like Gamma can help you generate high-quality content with just a simple prompt. Imagine starting a business and not having to do everything manually. That's what AI can do for you. It's like having a virtual assistant that works around the clock, handling the hard tasks for you. But here's the catch. You can't just rely on the tools to do everything. You need to pair those tools with focus, patience, and consistency. That's when the magic happens. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, but I tried something like this and it didn't work. I hear this all the time. People send me DMs saying, I started a YouTube channel, posted my first video, and got no views. Or, I built my dropshipping store and I didn't make any sales. The thing is, success doesn't happen overnight. When I started, I didn't have AI tools to help me. I had to do everything by hand, finding products, creating listings, editing images. It was a grind. But I stayed consistent, and that's why I succeeded. The good news is you're in a much better position than I was. You have AI tools that can help you build your business faster and more efficiently than ever before. But It's not just about using the tools, it's about staying committed to your hustle. Stick with it for a few months, and I promise you'll start seeing the results. So, here's my advice to you. Pick a side hustle, find the right AI tools that fit, and stay consistent. Don't jump ship every time things get tough. It's not always easy, but if you give it time and put in the effort, you'll see massive rewards. And if you want to dive deeper into how to get started with any of these side hustles, drop a comment below and I'll make a step-by-step guide for you. A few months ago, I was just like you, scrolling through videos, trying to figure out how to make money online. I wanted a side hustle, but every method I found required too much time, too much effort, or too much money up front. Then I discovered something that changed everything. AI automation. What if I told you that AI can do the hard work for you? I started using AI bots to build an online store, and within weeks I was making sales without spending hours in front of my laptop. Imagine this. You're sitting at home, sipping coffee, and while you're just relaxing, your online store is making money for you. Sounds too good to be true? Not anymore. AI is changing the game. And I'm going to show you how to use it to build an automated business. From finding winning products to getting customers. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'll walk you through 4 powerful AI tools that will help you find profitable products people actually want to buy, create a fully automated online store in minutes, automate order fulfillment and customer service, drive traffic and attract customers on autopilot. You don't need experience, you don't need a lot of money, you just need AI. Let's dive in. AI bot number 1, DeepSeek AI, finding hot-selling products. When I first started, I made a big mistake. I picked the wrong product. I thought, if I like this, other people will too. I was wrong. My store sat there and no one was buying. That's when I found DeepSeek AI. This AI scans Google search trends to find exactly what people are searching for right now. It analyzes demand, competition, and sales potential, so you only sell winning products. No more guesswork, just a ready-made list of products that people are already buying. Example. Let's say DeepSeek AI finds that portable car vacuum cleaners are trending. That means thousands of people are searching for this product every month. Instead of guessing, we sell what's already in demand. Now that we have our winning product, it's time to set up our store. AI Bot 2, AI-powered dropshipping store builder. I remember thinking, how do I build a store? Do I need to learn coding? The idea of designing a website was overwhelming. Then I found out AI can do it for me. AI-powered store builders like Shopify's AI tools can create a fully functional store in minutes. No need to design, write product descriptions, or upload images. AI does it all. It even creates a mobile-friendly and professional store that looks amazing. Here's what happened. I picked my product, clicked a few buttons, and within minutes, I had a complete store ready to sell. No coding, no stress. If you think building a store is hard, AI just made it ridiculously easy. Now let's move to the next step, automation. AI bot number 3, AutoDS, automating product management. When my first order came in, I was excited, but then I realized I had no idea how to fulfill it. That's when I found AutoDS, a tool that automates everything. It automatically places orders with suppliers, no manual work. It updates inventory, so you never sell out-of-stock items. It tracks shipping and even sends updates to customers. Real story. One night, I was asleep when an order came in. Before I even woke up, AutoDS had already processed it, placed the order, and sent the tracking number to my customer. I didn't have to do anything. That's the power of automation. AI bot number 4, AI-powered marketing and traffic generation. Okay, my store was set up, my products were automated, but I had one big problem. How do I get customers? I tried running Facebook ads manually, but it was a disaster. I spent money, but no one was buying. Then I discovered AI marketing tools. AI-generated ads instantly create high-converting Facebook and TikTok ads. AI copywriting, write product descriptions and emails that actually sell. Push AI chatbots, answer customer questions automatically. Here's what happened. Instead of spending hours testing ads, I let AI create them for me. Within days, my store started getting traffic and sales followed. No marketing experience needed. AI does the heavy lifting. Let's recap what we did today. Used DeepSeek AS to find a product people actually want to buy. Built a fully automated online store in minutes. Used AutoDS to automate inventory and order fulfillment. Let AI handle marketing and customer engagement. And here's the crazy part. I did all of this without spending hours every day. AI made everything easier, faster, and more profitable. If you want to start your own AI-powered business, now is the time. The tools are here, the opportunity is huge, and the best part, AI does most of the work for you. Hey everyone, so today I want to share something that I believe is one of the most overlooked ways to start a side hustle online, especially if you're just getting started. It's and no, not just AI for automating things, but AI that can generate ideas and help you create content like a pro. Here's the thing. When I first started, I struggled with coming up with ideas for my projects. I'd sit there staring at my screen and feel like I was just out of inspiration. I didn't know where to start or what would even work. But then I discovered the power of AI tools like DeepSeek, and it was a total game changer. With AI, you don't have to constantly stress about coming up with the next big idea. It does the heavy lifting for you. For example, let's say you have a business idea, but you're not sure how to market it, or you're stuck trying to figure out your next move. You can use DeepSeek to generate fresh, tailored ideas that match your goals. You can put a little bit of info about what you're aiming for, and just like that, you get relevant content, marketing strategies, and even product ideas, all in a matter of seconds. It's like having your own personal brainstorming assistant 24/7 without the need for endless hours of research or guesswork. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech expert to use it. All you need is a simple prompt, and DeepSeek will give you multiple ideas that can take your business to the next level. For example, let's say you're launching a new fitness product, and you want to know the best way to sell it online. Just tell DeepSeek your niche, and it'll come up with ideas like how to market your product, who your target audience is, what types of promotions you should run, and even content ideas for your website or social media. It's like having a full marketing team in one tool. And here's the thing. When I started using DeepSeek, I was able to go from feeling overwhelmed with ideas to actually having a clear roadmap to follow. And that's why I want to show you how you can do the same thing. In my next video, I'm going to dive into how to use DeepSeek AI to turn your ideas into action. So stay tuned. I promise you, whether you're just starting out or already running a business, AA can help you break through creative blocks, optimize your strategy, and get things moving faster than ever. I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up and how to use it to generate new opportunities for your business. Alright, that's it for today. If you're excited to learn more about how DeepSeek AI can change the game for you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I'll show you exactly how you can start using it to bring your business ideas to life. Catch you in the next one. Alright, let's dive deeper. If you're someone who's completely new to the world of online business, you might be thinking, how do I even get started? It can feel like there's just so much to figure out, like where do I even begin? What kind of business should I run? How do I even sell something online? All of these questions can feel overwhelming, but don't worry because DeepSeek AI is here to help. Imagine you've got no idea where to start, but you're eager to make money online. You might not know anything about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or digital products. DeepSeek can actually walk you through the entire process. You can simply ask it, what's the first step to starting a successful online business? And it will give you a detailed step-by-step outline of what you need to do. Let's say you want to build an online store. DeepSeek will give you a complete roadmap. What to sell, how to set up your store, where to find products, and how to attract customers. You can even ask it for tips on SEO or social media marketing, and it will generate strategies specific to your business. It's like having a personal business mentor, guiding you through the process with zero confusion. Now let's talk about branding. Once you have a solid plan in place for your online business, it's time to create your brand identity. This includes everything from coming up with a catchy business name to designing a logo and writing the perfect product descriptions. This is where DeepSeek becomes your best friend. If you're struggling to come up with a name for your business or your product, all you need to do is ask DeepSeek for suggestions. You can provide it with some basic info about what your business is about, and it'll generate creative, unique business names for you to choose from. No more staring at a blank screen for hours trying to think of the perfect name. DeepSeek does the hard part for you. But it doesn't stop there. Once you've got the name, it can also help you design a logo. That's right, you can get logo ideas directly from DeepSeek based on your brand style and niche. You can even ask it to create a brand message or a slogan that perfectly sums up what you're offering. And once your business name and logo are sorted, the next thing you'll need is content. This is crucial because your product descriptions, blog posts, and social media content all need to be compelling enough to convert visitors into buyers. This is where DeepSeek really shines. You can input product details and it'll help you write amazing product descriptions that highlight the benefits of your products and persuade customers to take action. It'll even rework your titles and descriptions to make them more attractive and click-worthy. For example, let's say you're launching a fitness product. You can ask DeepSeek to generate 5 different product descriptions based on the features and benefits of your product, and it'll give you options to choose from. You can also ask it to create a marketing strategy that fits your specific product and target audience. It's like having a professional copywriter and a marketing consultant all in one place. But here's the real kicker. DeepSeek doesn't just give you 1 or 2 ideas, it gives you multiple suggestions so you can pick the best one that suits your vision. Whether it's product names, business names, or marketing copy, DeepSeek gives you a wide range of options to choose from. And the best part, everything can be done within minutes. No more spending days, weeks, or even months trying to figure things out on your own. DeepSeek speeds up the entire process so you can focus on growing your business and actually making money rather than getting bogged down in the small details. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use DeepSeek to launch your business and turn those ideas into reality. I'll walk you through how to use it for product research, branding, and even creating your marketing campaigns. If you're looking for a shortcut to building your online business, DeepSeek is going to be your best friend. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start creating a successful business, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. We're going to get into step-by-step action with DeepSeek and show you how you can use AI to take your business to the next level. If you're running Facebook ads for your drop shipping business or side hustle, you've probably come across the metric CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions. But what does it really mean? And more importantly, how can you use it to scale your business profitably? In today's video, I'm breaking it all down in simple terms. I'll also share how I used CPM data to optimize my own ad campaigns and increase my dropshipping profits. So stick around because this could be a game changer for you. What is CPM? Cost per 1,000 impressions. Let's start with the basics. CPM is the cost you pay for your ad to be shown 1,000 times. It's basically a measure of how expensive it is to advertise to your chosen audience. For example, if your CPM is $50, it means you're spending $50 to show your ad to 1,000 people. Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing. CPM doesn't directly tell you if your ad is successful. It's more of a reflection of competition, audience quality, and your ad relevance. Why does CPM matter? Understanding CPM trends gives you valuable insights into your market and helps you make data-driven decisions. 1. Cost trends. If your CPM starts increasing, it could mean more advertisers are competing for the same audience. This is especially common during peak shopping seasons like Black Friday, Christmas, or Q4 in general. 2. Industry benchmarks. Different industries have different CPM levels. For example, fitness products typically have lower CPMs compared to high-ticket B2B services. But here's an important truth. A high CPM isn't always a bad thing. A more expensive audience might actually convert better, meaning higher quality leads and more sales. What really matters is how CPM fits into your overall ad performance, especially your ROAS, return on ad spend. How to use CPM effectively. Real example. Let me share a real example from my own dropshipping journey. When I first started running Facebook ads, my CPM was around $40. Sounds good, right? But guess what? My sales were flat. After analyzing my data, I realized my ad content wasn't resonating with my audience, so I made a few key changes. 1. Refined my targeting, focused on people more likely to buy. 2. Updated my video ad, added testimonials and a strong call to action. The result? My CPM jumped to $70, but my ROAS doubled. Why? Because I was paying more to reach a higher quality audience, and they were actually converting. The lesson here: CPM is just one piece of the puzzle. You need to look at the big picture. What to do if your CPM is high? If you notice your CPM increasing, don't panic. Instead, ask yourself these 3 key questions. 1. Am I targeting the right audience? Sometimes a high CPM means you're competing for a broad audience. Try narrowing your targeting to focus on higher intent buyers. 2. Is my ad content strong enough to justify the cost? If your ad isn't engaging, Facebook will charge you more to show it. Try improving your creatives, messaging, or call to action. 3. Am I still getting good ROAS even with a higher CPM? If you have strong conversion rates and solid profits, a higher CPM isn't necessarily bad. Remember, CPM isn't about getting the cheapest ads. It's about reaching the right people who are more likely to buy.